Most people think power is about commanding thousands, but today, I'm about to lose it all to save one family. I am Vance, CEO of a billion-dollar empire, and right now, a landlord is about to throw a war hero's furniture onto the street. He doesn't know that the delivery driver standing in front of him can buy this entire block with a snap of his fingers. Stay with me, because in 5 minutes, justice isn't just served, it's Liam's life was a cycle of private jets and empty boardrooms. He felt like a ghost in his own success. To find his purpose, he stripped off his $5,000 suit, put on a sweat-stained uniform, and took a delivery route in the city's forgotten zone. He wanted to see if the world was as cold as his heart had become. His GPS led him to a house that looked like it was morning. The porch was rotting, and the air smelled of despair. He was delivering a package of medical supplies. As he approached, he saw a young girl, no more than 7, trying to hide behind a broken sofa on the porch. She was holding a piggy bank like it was a shield. Inside, the scene was worse. A man, Mark, was sitting in a wheelchair, his military medals pinned to a jacket draped over the chair. His wife, Sarah, was crying while a man in a sharp suit, the landlord, was screaming at them. "I don't care if you bled for this country. If I don't have the rent by tonight, your wheelchair will be on the sidewalk." Liam stepped inside, holding the package. The landlord turned on him. "Hey, delivery boy. Get out. This isn't your business." Liam didn't flinch. He looked at Mark's eyes, the eyes of a lion who had been caged by poverty. Liam handed the medicine to Sarah and noticed their fridge was unplugged because they couldn't pay the electric bill. Liam walked out without a word, but his mind was racing. He went to his delivery van, pulled out a satellite phone, and made one call. "I need $10 million moved to the Unity Foundation account immediately. And find out who owns the deed to 42nd Maple Street. I want to buy it now." Before returning, Liam stopped at a high-end store. He loaded the van with the best food, warm blankets, and a mountain of toys. He arrived back at the house just as the landlord was starting to drag a mattress out. Liam blocked the doorway. "I have a delivery for this family," he said, his voice like cold steel. The little girl's eyes widened as Liam pulled out a giant teddy bear and bags of fresh fruit. For a moment, the heaviness in the room lifted. Mark looked at Liam, confused. "Why are you doing this? You're just a driver." Liam smiled. "Sometimes, the universe sends a driver when it can't send an angel." The landlord laughed. "Groceries won't pay the $5,000 debt, kid. Move or I call the cops." Just then, a black limousine pulled up behind the delivery van. 2 men in suits stepped out, carrying a briefcase. The landlord froze. The men walked straight to Liam and bowed slightly. "The paperwork is ready." Liam took a document from the briefcase and handed it to the landlord. "Check the name on the deed. I just bought this house, and the 3 buildings next to it. You're fired. Get off my property before I have you arrested for harassment." The landlord's face turned white as he realized he had been bullying a billionaire's friend. Liam turned to Mark and Sarah. "Mark, my company needs a chief of security for our veteran outreach program. It's yours if you want it. And this house? It's not mine. I've put it in your daughter's name. You'll never have to worry about a roof over your head again." The silence that followed was broken only by the family's tears of joy. As Liam drove away, he didn't feel like a CEO, he felt like a man again. On MKB Motivation, we believe that wealth is useless if it's locked in a vault. True wealth is the ability to change someone's destiny. Remember, be kind to everyone, because you never know when a delivery driver might actually be the answer to your prayers.